Hi, this is Mike of the Johnson team and the Moyacht Group Realtors. Thanks for watching our video. So I'm out front of 5447 Poplar Place in Ferndale. It's a little over 1,100 square feet. Great home, 4-bedroom, 1 3/4 bath. Let's go inside and have a look. This is one of the 4 bedrooms. Needs carpet and some touch-up paint and a door. This is the master, and it does have a nice walk-in closet. And an ensuite 3/4 bath. Nice private backyard. And it's fenced. If you'd like to have a look inside this great home in Ferndale, just give our office a call at 360-303-2734. We'll get you showing right inside. It's a great property.